Hello guys, if you love plantain, this video is for you. We're making it healthy by adding two special ingredients, okay? So for this special kaklo, we need riped plantains, okay? Also, we need anise seeds, red and yellow onions, habanero, grains of celery, cloves, chia seed, old-fashioned rolled oats, flour, paprika, salt. So to begin, you're gonna go ahead and soak the chia seeds, okay? We want to make sure it's soft, so soak it and set it aside. Now go ahead and blend all the spices. All right, put all the spices in the blender, add a little bit of water and blend. Now peel. I'm gonna go ahead and peel the plantains. You do not need a knife to peel ripe plantains. All you need is your thumb, okay? I have a video for it. Go and watch it. It's simple. At this point, I'm adding my mixture: rolled oats, chia seed. So the mixture of spices: rolled oats, chia seed, flour, paprika, salt, and mix. I checked the salt. It needed more salt, so I added more salt. I continued with my hand to make sure all the lumps are broken. And then we're gonna fry the plantain. Now add oil into your pan, onions for flavor. Start frying this beauty. Now you can fry kaklo without using chia seeds or oats. I needed more fiber and wanted it a little bit healthier. This is a healthy version, okay? So at this point, I'm just frying. That's all. Let me know in the comment section if you will try this chia seed rolled oats kaklo recipe. And if you tried it, come back and tell me what you think about it. At this point, kaklo is ready when it's golden brown. And so just scoop and put it on a paper towel to soak excess oil. Second batch going into the oil. So this time I'm using my fingers. The first time I used the ice cream scoop. Second batch of kaklo is also ready. Guys, enjoy this beautiful kaklo. The texture is so soft because of the chia seed and the rolled oats, and this kaklo would never dry. It will never be hard. It's the same texture it has from beginning. Even after days, it still has the same soft texture. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video.